This video, I'm going to show you how to install this Icono TV application so that every time you select this, it'll launch Kodi. So in other words, you'll have a shortcut to launch Kodi instead of going through the long process of going down to applications and manually launching it. The first thing you want to do is go to Amazon in the web browser, and you need to go to your account and make sure you have an address put in. If you don't put in an address, then they won't allow you to download any apps, even the free apps. Now, if you don't want to use your home address, you could just use any address. You can make up an address, or you can use a work address, or any address you choose. Once you have your address put in, you can come back to your Fire Stick. You want to go to Applications, and then you want to go to the top free section. In Application, you're going to install is this Icono TV app. Since I already have it installed, they're not going to let me do it again, but I'll walk you through the process by installing this other application, this VLC media player. As you can see, it's free, just like the Icono TV. To install it, you simply select it, and you'll see it'll eventually say downloading. Now, when it's done downloading, it'll say open, and you just ignore that because you don't want to open it. You just want to install it. And you can see it says installing. Now remember, I'm just downloading this as an example. You don't necessarily have to download this VLC media player. I just want you to see the process of downloading and installing an app. As you can see, it says open, which means it is successfully downloaded and installed. So that's the same way you would install this application. Once you have it installed, we're going to exit out, and you need to go to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications, and then you want to look for a program called Llama, which has a picture of a llama. Select it and select Launch Application. Okay, what you want to do here is hit the select button, which is the center button in the remote. Now you want to arrow over one to the left. You'll be in the Event tab. And if it's the first time you're using this, you might get a couple of notifications. Just hit the center button on the remote each time. Now what you want to do is arrow down, and then you want to arrow one to the right to where it's on this plus sign in the lower right corner. Then you want to hit the select button on the remote. Now you want to arrow down to this box that says Add Condition, and you select that. Now you want to select Active Application, and here you can see it says Choose App. You just want to arrow down. Excuse me, you want to select that. Where it says Choose App, you hit the select button. And what we want to do is choose that Icono TV application we installed. And there it is. So you hit the select button. And as you can see, where it says choose an app, it now says Icono TV. From here, you just arrow down to OK. Select OK. So what we've just done is chosen the app. Now we're going to choose what happens when you click the app. So you want to go from here to the right box where it says add action. Select that. And we want to go down here till we see run application. Once you get that, select it. Now we want to choose the program that we want to launch whenever someone clicks on the Icono TV application, which is Kodi. So we're going to go here and look for Kodi. There it is. Select it. After you've done that, just arrow out of this program and you're done. Now we're going to go test it out. Now, as you can see in recent, it has the two things that I just installed, the Icono as well as this media player. So to test that it works, we're going to go click on the Icono icon, which should launch Kodi. As you can see, it's launching Kodi. Now you can use that icon each time you want to launch Kodi instead of going all the way down to settings. Now, if you choose to install other applications on your stick, this icon will get pushed over till it's no longer visible. So in cases like that, what you might have to do is go down to apps and look in your app library, and you can find it in there. Launch it the same way and it'll open up Kodi. So if it seems a little complicated, it's not really that complicated. If you watch the video a couple of times, you'll probably get a better understanding of how to do that.